Hi friends, welcome to ITpros official channel. Today we are going to see a topic on how to install Hyper-V on the Windows system. Actually, the Hyper-V is a built-in virtualization tool. It is a product of Microsoft. In the Hyper-V, you can able to run multiple operating system. Depends upon your hardware, depends upon your desktop or server system. You can able to install multiple OS. Yes, it is a simple feature. Using it is an inbuilt Windows feature. You do not require any command from the PowerShell to install this. Just use your run dialog box. You press Windows R. You can see this run dialog box. In that option, you type optional features. Once you give optional features, you can able to see these things. Windows features. Turn on or off the Windows features. In that you can able to see Hyper-V. Just click on the Hyper-V thing. You select complete those things and just you click OK. Now the Windows will be start searching and installing the files which are being required from the internet. Based upon your internet speed and system speed, it will be start searching and installation will be continued. Once the installation is over, you just restart your system and you can able to use this Hyper-V. But before that, you have to see one thing. In the task manager, if you see performance, here the virtualization, here it should be enabled. Virtualization should be enabled. If it is not enabled, you just go to your BIOS settings and you can able to see virtualization. In that you should enable virtualization so that you can able to install Hyper-V and you can able to use it. Now the Hyper-V is getting installed. If you just restart now, you can able to use that Hyper-V. In the next video, you can able to see how to install an operating system from Hyper-V. If you like this video, you share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.